Charles Jerome Daly, July 20th, 1930. May 9th, 2009 was an American basketball head coach. He led the Detroit Pistons to 2 consecutive National Basketball Association (NBA) championships in 1989 and 1990 during the team's Bad Boys era. And the 1990 United States men's Olympic basketball team, the dream team to the gold medal at the 1990 Summer Olympics. Daly is a 2-time Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame inductee, being inducted in 1994 for his individual coaching career, and in 2010 was posthumously inducted as the head coach of the Dream Team. The Chuck Daly Lifetime Achievement Award is named after him. Born in Kane, Pennsylvania, to Earl and Geraldine Daly on July 20th, 1930, Daly attended Kane Area High School. He matriculated at St. Bonaventure University for 1 year before transferring to Bloomsburg University of Pennsylvania, where he graduated in 1952. After serving 2 years in the military, he began his basketball coaching career in 1955 at Punxsutawney Area High School in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. Death. Daly was diagnosed with pancreatic cancer in March 2009 and died on May 9, 2009, at the age of 78. He is buried at Riverside Memorial Park in Tequesta, Florida. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1000 Vlogs.